So the writer Laura Ingalls Wilder once said some old-fashioned things like fresh air and sunshine are hard to beat. And some neighbors in the Piedmont Triad know that is true.
In 2008, a group from Washington Park and West Salem banded together to create the Gateway Nature Preserve in Winston-Salem. Today, it's 19 acres of urban wildlife that is available for everyone to enjoy. As Fox 8's Natalie Wilson shows us, it is with the help of a community foundation.
People can come here and take a break from their daily life, from just being surrounded by cars. But, you know, we are an urban preserve, so we have electricity substation here. You know, we have cars that are passing through here, but you can still enjoy and be immersed in the woods, you know, and observe wildlife.
A slice of wilderness nestled in the heart of downtown Winston-Salem. The Gateway Nature Preserve provides people with a place to explore and learn about wildlife and nature.
There's foxes, there's owls, there's groundhogs, so people can come here and take a little break from that. So I think that's just so important to have in cities for children, but also for adults, and just to be able to be in nature and learn what we can do to help with climate change and how to protect our environment.
Carolina Corona is the administrative manager at Gateway. She says the preserve relies on volunteers to help with everything from pulling weeds to teaching visitors about the importance of pollinators. A pollinator census day in August helped record data on bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds.
Pollinators are really important because they really help with food production and also conservation of plants that are important for the rest of the food chain. So without pollinators, we wouldn't have all those plants that are so important for our nutrition. So we need to keep habitat for pollinators in order to have good food systems in place for the population, but also to keep plants that are native and are important to the ecological processes here in the area for survival, and also help the rest of the food chain.
Volunteers are now working to remove kudzu, an invasive climbing vine, so they can reintroduce native plants into the ecosystem. A $2,000 grant from the Winston-Salem Foundation supports Gateway's effort to make green spaces available and to teach the next generation about the importance of nature and conservation.
We have a pollinator garden, we have a forest discovery trail which has some educational signage, but also a lot of fun activities for kids if they want to explore with their families. And we have a birding platform that we just finished this year for people to come and be able to observe birds here in the meadow. So we serve this whole area, and anybody's welcome to come in for free and enjoy our monthly events, or come by themselves and have fun at the preserve.
In Winston-Salem, Natalie Wilson, Fox 8 News.
The Gateway Nature Preserve invites everyone to skip the long lines on Black Friday and enjoy a day of nature instead. It is hosting a post-Thanksgiving bird walk on Friday, November 28th. It will last from 10 to 11:30 a.m. You're invited to stroll wood trails and learn about birds with a representative for the Forsyth Audubon Society. The event is free. You do need to register, though. So we'll put a link along with this story on our website, myfox8.com. Just look for the Community Foundation in the Fox 8 Spotlight.